Welcome to my channel, and today is going to be another nature trail video. I'm going to take you along with my little partner in crime on a nature trail here in the Tampa Bay area. I believe it is the Morris Bridge Nature Trail. I'll get all the information, but yeah. We're going on a trip in your favorite rocket ship. Under the sky, little Einstein.
Yeah, so what was the next one?
Nature trail.
Huh?
Today is going to be a fun-filled day. We're going Morris Bridge Preserve Park. So, I'll take you on a little journey with my sidekick. All night.
Thank you for listening to Wild 94.
Bad bitch, I'm a relative. So we're at Morris Bridge Preserve. You can do canoeing and kayaking here with preservatives. I already showed the fish that you can catch if you wanted to do that. Which way? I think we can only go. What is this?
Disappear.
Oh, to go fishing.
Yeah.
Fishing piers. Got a bridge above this one. So it's kind of interesting. It's definitely not made for. I'm sure I could walk underneath it. It just feels weird and dirty and unsafe. I'm sure there's some gators out here.
Oh yeah.
Alright, so I'm gonna turn this off until we see something cool. Hate that crap. Fucking natural, light, cheap ass beer. But still, you shouldn't, whether it's cheap or not, don't fucking dirty up
Use
shit.
the natural can.
Hmm?
That was a snake. It was just swimming up, just trying to see where it went.
Yo, we're like right above the water. So if this shit rises just a little bit, this thing probably gets cut. It's covered up here.
Have to go through it. While we're working out.
Dylan. Oh my god, we really are like right on top of the water. That's insane. Can we? No, the whole thing is flooded up. Ain't no way. Yeah, no. What the hell?
Let's go out there.
So you go. So most of it's like we're literally right on top of the water. It's really high.
Cruising down into that, dude.
I don't think so either. It's like gator territory. So like the whole thing's flooded out. So we're gonna go a different way. All right, so we went back. The other one's completely flooded. So we're coming this way. What is this? Is that a water hose or air thingy?
It's for rinsing off your canoes when you get out of the water.
I probably don't need my shades today. What's so cool is just like the scenery. Look how pretty this is. Okay, so now we're on this one, hikers only. The other one was like completely flooded out. So it tells you where the water is, where the boardwalk is. And yeah, so this is where we are. We're gonna do the whole, it's a 0.3 mile. So I think we could do the whole thing. It's not even a whole mile. Probably not gonna record the whole thing. What is it, like high tide or something right now?
Oh, we just had that storm.
Huh?
It's from that storm we just had, remember?
Oh yeah, we did just have that storm.
Super.
Beautiful though. Can you spot the bird? See, we get any gators today. That'd be nice.
Which way?
Let's go right. It's a whole circle, so
Let's
go right. Right on time. I'm not always there when you call. Beautiful little nature trails. We're gonna cut out. We'll cut back in once we get to something that looks pretty cool. Which the whole thing actually looks pretty cool. I feel like if we look, we'll probably see something. I thought I saw a turtle over there, but it's probably just wood.
Yeah.
So we're a little higher up on the water over here. The other place was completely flooded out. I'm telling y'all, I just feel it. There's a gator nearby. I just know it. If I can get it on here for y'all, I'll get it. My gator senses is strong. Alright, just to preserve some battery, I'm gonna turn this off real quick. Okay, we'll cut back in. I see something. Do you think your kids would enjoy this?
Yeah, I'm kind of pissed off. We could take them, but I need some time with you.
So there's none right now, but you know there's gators like that typically lay on these banks over here. It is cooling down a bit here in Florida, so you're not seeing as many. But if I do get any, I will definitely get it in the shot.
Some big walking, like a big.
You hear that?
Yeah.
I hear something moving. I'm like, I turn my back around. What the fuck does this sound like? It's stalking.
Stop.
Is something following me? Is there something on me?
No, ma'am.
The fuck? Stop. It's saying nature trail this way.
That's like a. This is just gonna cut through where people could drive, and I don't think you want to take the little one, do you?
Of course I want to take the smaller one.
You want to take the smaller one?
Of course.
Yeah? No, I'm talking about narrow-wise.
Oh.
This is the kind of a road we're walking on.
I don't
That
think
just goes
so.
into the woods on the bike path.
I don't think so. This is not a road. Dude, I'm not feeling this at all.
Just agree with me, you know it comes back.
So we're at Trout Creek, another boardwalk. Taking photos and whatnot.
I'll send it to you.
Another boardwalk on Trout Creek. Different location than Morris Bridge, but I think it's the same thing. Some trees. It's like a tree inside of a tree. Tree inside of a tree. So a lot of people come over to this one to fish. So this is called Trout Creek. And I'm wondering if it's because people can catch trout. I don't know. It kind of makes sense. Areas for like your fishing lines. Ooh, something just jumped out of the water. I don't know what that was though. Maybe it's fish. Maybe we should come fishing. Ooh, something just jumped in the water.
Fish.
Or maybe it was somebody's fishing line.